The concept of becoming a money magnet. Becoming a money magnet refers to harnessing the law of attraction to attract financial abundance into your life. It involves adopting a specific mindset, setting clear intentions, and taking inspired actions to manifest wealth and prosperity. This comprehensive guide will delve into the intricacies of how to become a money magnet, offering practical steps and insights to help you align with the vibrations of abundance. Understanding the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a fundamental principle that states like attracts like. This concept suggests that the thoughts and emotions you emit into the universe attract similar energies back to you. In essence, your reality is shaped by your predominant thoughts and feelings. This principle has been popularized by books like The Secret and has gained widespread attention due to its potential to transform various aspects of life, including finances. Chapter 1: The Foundation of Attraction. Vibrational energy and frequency. At the core of the law of attraction is the concept of vibrational energy. Everything in the universe, including thoughts and emotions, vibrates at a certain frequency. Positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love vibrate at higher frequencies, while negative emotions such as fear and doubt vibrate at lower frequencies. Understanding this principle is crucial to harnessing the law of attraction effectively. Your thoughts and emotions as energy. Your thoughts and emotions are not merely abstract concepts, they are forms of energy that you constantly emit. The energy you radiate shapes your experiences and influences the people and circumstances you attract. By becoming conscious of your mental and emotional state, you can take control of your vibrational energy and intentionally direct it toward your financial goals. Chapter 2: Shaping Your Money Mindset. Identifying and releasing limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are deeply ingrained thought patterns that hinder your progress. They often revolve around money and can stem from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, or past financial struggles. Identifying and challenging these beliefs is essential to creating a fertile mental ground for abundance to flourish. Cultivating a positive money mindset. Cultivating a positive money mindset involves rewiring your thought patterns to focus on possibilities and opportunities. This mindset shift empowers you to see money as a tool for personal and societal growth, rather than a source of stress or conflict. Through positive affirmations and consistent practice, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to embrace abundance. Visualization and affirmations for abundance. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating vivid mental images of your desired financial reality. Combined with affirmations, positive statements that reinforce your beliefs, you can amplify your manifestation efforts. This chapter provides practical exercises to help you visualize your financial success and create impactful affirmations. Chapter 3: Setting Clear Financial Goals. The importance of defining clear goals. Setting clear financial goals provides direction to your manifestation journey. Goals act as magnets, pulling you towards the outcomes you desire. By outlining your financial aspirations, you give the universe a clear signal of your intentions and align your energy with the frequencies of abundance. Applying SMART goal setting to finances. Utilizing the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, goal-setting framework is crucial when applying the law of attraction to your finances. This approach ensures that your goals are well-defined, realistic, and aligned with your broader life objectives. Chapter 4: Aligning with Abundance. Gratitude as a catalyst for attraction. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that raises your vibrational frequency. When you appreciate what you have, you create space for more blessings to flow into your life. This chapter explores the relationship between gratitude and the law of attraction, offering gratitude practices that enhance your money magnetism. Giving and receiving, the cycle of abundance. The act of giving aligns you with the energy of abundance. By willingly sharing your resources, you signal to the universe that you have more than enough. This energetic exchange of giving and receiving amplifies your attraction power and nurtures a sense of interconnectedness. Letting go of attachment and resistance. Attachment to outcomes and resistance to change can block the flow of abundance. Learning to detach from the how and when of your manifestations while maintaining unwavering faith in your desires is a fundamental aspect of becoming a money magnet. Chapter 5: Taking Inspired Action. The role of action in the law of attraction. While the law of attraction emphasizes the power of thoughts and emotions, taking inspired action is a vital component of the manifestation process. The action bridges the gap between your inner world and your external reality, allowing your intentions to manifest more rapidly. Recognizing and following intuitive prompts. Intuition, often referred to as your inner guidance, plays a crucial role in leading you toward opportunities aligned with your goals. Learning to listen to your intuition and act upon its guidance can lead you to unexpected avenues of wealth and success. Persistence and patience in manifestation. Manifesting financial abundance requires persistence and patience. The universe operates on its own timeline, and while some manifestations may appear swiftly, others might take time. Cultivating patience and maintaining your focus in the face of challenges are key to long-term success. Chapter 6: Enhancing Your Money Magnetism. Mindfulness and Present Moment Awareness. Practicing mindfulness and being fully present in the moment enhance your ability to attract abundance. When you focus on the present rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, you align with the frequencies of creation. Cultivating self-confidence and self-worth. Believing in your inherent worthiness to receive financial abundance is essential. When you recognize your value and believe in your capabilities, you send a powerful message to the universe that you deserve the wealth you seek. Surrounding yourself with positive influence. Your environment significantly impacts your vibrational energy. Surrounding yourself with supportive, positive individuals who share your mindset and goals can uplift your energy and reinforce your money magnetism. Chapter 7: Overcoming Challenges and Doubts. Dealing with impatience and frustration. Impatience and frustration can arise when manifestations do not occur as quickly as desired. Learning to manage these emotions and refocus your energy on your goals is crucial to maintaining a high vibration. Navigating skepticism from others. When embarking on a journey to become a money magnet, you might encounter skepticism from friends, family, or society. Staying committed to your beliefs and maintaining your focus in the face of external doubt is a testament to your dedication. Learning from setbacks and adjusting your approach. Setbacks are part of any journey, and your money magnet journey is no exception. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, learning, and refinement of your approach can accelerate your progress. Chapter 8: Money Magnet Lifestyle. Integrating attraction into daily life. Becoming a money magnet is not a one-time endeavor, it's a lifestyle. Integrating the principles of the law of attraction into your daily routines and habits reinforces your alignment with abundance. Conscious spending and saving habits. Mindful spending and saving habits support your financial goals. By making conscious choices about where you direct your resources, you empower yourself to live in alignment with your abundance mindset. Using affirmations and visualization for financial decisions. Affirmations and visualization can be applied to more than just goal setting. They can guide your financial decisions, help you overcome doubts, and maintain your focus on your desired outcomes. Chapter 9: Ethical Considerations. Balancing attraction with responsibility. Becoming a money magnet comes with ethical responsibilities. This chapter explores the balance between attracting wealth and using it responsibly to contribute positively to your life and society. Using abundance for greater good. Financial abundance provides the means to make a positive impact on the world. Discover how aligning your financial goals with philanthropic endeavors can magnify your money magnetism. Avoiding materialism and greed. While the law of attraction encourages attracting abundance, it's important to steer clear of materialism and greed. This chapter delves into the distinction between healthy desires and excessive attachment to material possessions. Chapter 10, Taking Your Next Steps. Reviewing and reflecting on your progress. Reflect on your money magnet journey so far. Review your achievements, challenges, and growth, and celebrate your successes along the way. Continuous growth and development. Becoming a money magnet is an ongoing process. This chapter offers guidance on how to continue evolving, setting new goals, and refining your manifestation practices. Resources for further learning and exploration. Discover a curated list of books, online resources, workshops, and courses that can deepen your understanding of the law of attraction and its application to financial abundance. Conclusion: embracing your money magnet potential. Embrace the journey of becoming a money magnet with open arms and an eager heart. By understanding the law of attraction, aligning with abundance, cultivating an empowering money mindset, and taking inspired action, you can unlock your full potential to attract financial prosperity into your life. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality and manifest the wealth and abundance you deserve.